We are going to talk about Autodesk Inventor, and we're going to talk about the different file types. If you are used to using AutoCAD or a drawing package like that, there is only one really file type, and that's a DWG. Now there are template files and things like that, but in Inventor it is completely different. We have four types of files. We have part files, assembly files, drawing files, and presentation files. When we create a new file, we will be given the option of which one we want to do. Okay, a part file. Part file is what we start with. It's what we're going to draw. It's a single part to be used in an assembly. The part file will have an extension of IPT. Okay, and here's some examples of some part files. We then have assembly files. An assembly file is a collection of mated parts or part files. Assemblies have an extension of IAM. They're used for checking fits and creating animation. Here are some assembly drawings. We then have drawings. Okay, these are our typical orthographic projections. They are used for manufacturing the part. They do have an extension of either IDW or DWG. If you make it an IDW, it can only be opened in Inventor, it cannot be opened in any other CAD package. A DWG can be used or opened in other packages. Okay. It contains our orthographic views. It has our dimensions, our materials, title blocks, notes. In the case of a assembly drawing, okay, it has a list of all the parts. A presentation is a graphical representation. Things like exploded view and illustrations are used or created as presentation views. Here is a picture of an exploded view. Here is an example of an animated file. You can see that this has obviously been animated. Here is an example. Here is our part drawing, base IPT. Okay, it's a single part. Here is an IAM, okay, an assembly drawing of the base. Here is a drawing of the base assembly or the complete vise assembly. Here is an exploded view of the base. Now notice they were all called base. If we look at those in our drawing, if I can find them again, okay, you'll see that even though they were all called base, we have a base IAM, a base IDW, a base IPN, and a base IPT. Okay, that is the overview of the file types in Autodesk Inventor.